Today I discuss Today I discuss editing in MS Word. Editing in MS Word. Class 4, chapter number 4. Today related this topic moving sorry copy test. Copying test. My dear student, today I discuss not for the theoretical classes. Today I discuss practical class. Practical class. So all our students must watch the video, and this is the part third video. So first of all, I discuss what is the copy. Every student cheating in classroom. Suppose one student is complete to the homework and the other student not complete the homework. So your class teacher asked any student and those student not completed the homework. The class teacher asked to every student how many student complete to the homework. Those student not complete to the homework, you just give to the another student copy and then such type of the copy. Yani this means one student complete the homework, other student not complete. So those student not complete the homework, those the copy to the other student. Just you applicability in the copy test in MS Word. So let us start for the practical class. I start copying the test. So first of all, I open MS Office. So first of all, I open WinWord. One minute. MS Word. My dear student, first of all, I open MS Word. So I go to the all program and go to the MS Office 2013 because I install MS Office 2013 and I go to the MS Word and Word 2013. This is the Word 2013. Word 2013. Word 2013 open. This is the MS Word 2013 open. This is the open to the MS Word 2013 because MS Word 2013 is so complicated compared to the MS Word 2007 and to the 2010. So my dear student, my topic name, my topic name, copying test. Copying test. So this is my topic. My dear student, I write down to the any such type of sentence. So I write down to any such type of sentence because without write down any such type of sentence, not for the copying. Copying means, suppose first of all I write down copying. This is useful. Any sentence is this useful features helps to repeat the already entered test at new location without repeating without retyping. Suppose I write down to the one sentence. My dear student, this particular sentence copying test, suppose this is the first location in my sentence, so I want to another location, the same sentence. So again you write, no student, your laptop, your PC, your mobile, you provide to the copying to the test. You just to the all over sentence to the select. This is the mouse. And this is the mouse left button. This is the mouse right button. This is the mouse right button. You just drag and then select to the all over to the sentence. Without you select to the all over sentence, you are not copying. Suppose I not select to the any such type of sentence, and I want to this particular the same sentence you located to the another location. Suppose I located to the in the this page, so I just click to the in this area. There is no any such type of option provided in front of me. So first of all, you select. Without select, you are not copying. So first of all, you select and then mouse left button. And there are so many such type of area in front of you. This is the cut, copy. My topic is copy. You just click to the copy and you go to the another location. Suppose I am going to this location and just click to the paste. So there are so many such type of copy in this area. I am write down to the one sentence and the same sentence copy in this area, because this is the MS Word 2013. So I am going to the different such type of page. You go to the page layout. So I am not going to the page layout. I am just click to the this particular sentence copy. Then first of all select and then go to the copy and then again write to the paste option. There are so many such type of option in front of you, but you just click, you just select to the, you just go to the paste option in this area. You automatically copy in the particular sentence. This is the copy. My dear student, moving the text, your other topic, you are the moving the text. Because my previous video I started for the what is the editing. My topic is the editing. Editing means modification. Suppose I write down to the topic name and my mistake, I am write down copying text, not for the text. So this is the text. So I am deleted in all of a sentence, so not deleted to the all of a sentence, because my topic name is text. So this is go to the this is the mouse blinking point with the cursor point, and I am going to the this area. S, because my changing location in the S, text spelling TEXT, and I am write down to a test TEST. So this is the keyboard and this is the backspace, only for press to the backspace, then go to the backspace. This particular sentence is removed in this area and I just click to the X. This is the text. So my dear student, this is meaning of the editing. What is the meaning of the selecting? Selecting means you write down to the any such type of sentence and select. Selecting means you drag to the mouse and selecting is highlighted pointer. Suppose I am not selected to the pointer, then all our point to the same. So I just select to the, suppose I select the location without retyping. So any such type of person in front of you and you particular sentence is the selecting, this is means the bold, yani this sentence is the particular meaning. So I selecting means any such type of highlighting point. And suppose location without retyping, suppose this area is the change, I am not write down, I am not want to the location without retyping. You just select to the this area and you just click to the backspace. This area is automatically go out in this MS Word. So my dear student, I hope every student clear in this particular topic, editing, selecting the test and the copying the test. Thank you so much.